Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Jumpa kembali bersama saya Minimo Vlog. Teman-teman, kali ini kita mau unboxing what is this?
Address.
Don't know what is this. What is ASOS?
Is
Here got the Facebook is the ASOS. ASOS. Nih ya, teman-teman kalau mau beli online kita buka.
oh my god.
You not use the freezer. Yeah.
I bought this like during the Black Friday sale.
What is that? What you ordering?
But
The name, you know.
yeah, like the things that I order.
Right here. Wow, Frank Body Glue Max. Collusion, wow, set in brown. Frank Body Original Coffee Scrub. Collusion. Why you bought so many things?
It was crazy.
Oh.
It's the glow mask for the face. It's just a small packet.
Glue Max. You using before?
No,
Like yogurt.
Yeah. Then this is body scrub. Can use for your body when you shower.
Wow, so good. You can scrub your back set. Is it back set?
This one all. This is just a normal pants. Shorts.
You can open it. Oh, like I see like the May.
The one I always wear lor in my room
I
also.
think May have
It's
this.
soft.
Oh, we go shopping online, guys.
And then this one, which is I think
What is this?
it's a pants, like a pants like that.
Oh, street pen. Inside one,
Stretchy.
you got wear this kind of
I want
pen,
to try.
Oh.
Yes. I bought a jeans,
Long jean, short jean.
long. So it's this color, and it's the bottom.
Wow.
Yes. These jeans.
This
Yes,
shopping
I got
online so much,
a
so
shirt.
many.
Yeah, this kind of thing I wear one, like as a outer wear. I can wear on the outside.
Wow, this hot or not, the material?
And then
What brand?
collusion
Collusion.
and a cardigan.
Oh, made in Turkey.
And a cardigan.
What is this?
Yeah, you know what? The
Winter
kind of thing that I
clothes.
always wear for winter clothes. Just a cardigan.
Oh.
You know, look at cardigan.
Wow, sweater. Ini kalau di tempat kita namanya sweater. So nice. I like this one.
Yeah.
All of this your thing. I like this only. Okay, si shopping online, guys.
Terima kasih.
Oke, terima kasih yang sudah tonton video unboxing saya. Kalau teman-teman mau silakan go online shopping at the SOS. Also, this one got shoe, si box shoe. See? Wow. Oke, terima kasih. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.